Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to you from Vasima Constructions. We present to you an opportunity to become the owner of a beautiful house by paying just the amount of a flat in installments. Do you want to stay in a congested flat or become the owner of an independent villa at the same price? The choice is yours. If you really want to stay in an independent house, then we present to you 150 square yard area, complete independent house with kids swimming pool, small water fountain, car parking, 2 bedrooms, 1 kitchen, 1 drawing room, and 1 hall. All you need to do is make a payment of 56 lakhs, but all not together. You just have to make a mere payment of 35 lakhs and the remaining 5 installments can be paid later. What are you waiting for? To become the owner of an independent, beautiful house, just dial 630-126-3538. Thanks for watching this video.